Leather manufacturing is one of the oldest technological professions in Pakistan, and leather coordinators have been the front runners and innovation partners for numerous international brands. Leather Coordinators is contributing in leather business from over 70 years with various types of leather garment products in Sahiwal. We are pioneers of leather industry with local manufacturing industry as progenitors, where we belong to the same profession before Indo-Pak partition. In 1970, we took startup by Yusuf Tanneries, and later in 1990, they took initiative of leather manufactured garments for local and international market. We have been in the tannery business for about 50 years and are one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of cow, buffalo leathers, and sheepskin. We are consistently developing new and innovative articles to meet the ever-changing